Have you ever imagined an animal that lays eggs like a reptile, has spikes like a porcupine, a tongue like an anteater, and yet it is a mammal? Sounds impossible, right? But nature loves breaking its own rules, and that's exactly why the echidna is one of the strangest creatures alive on Earth. Meet the mysterious Echidna Australia. Deep inside the forests, deserts, and rocky mountains of Australia, this tiny spiky creature quietly roams around searching for ants and termites while carrying millions of years of evolutionary secrets on its back. And the craziest part, echidnas existed even during the time when dinosaurs had already disappeared from Earth. Scientifically, they belong to a very rare group called Monotreme mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to babies. Only two types of animals on Earth do this today, the platypus and the echidna. That's it. Nature literally made them limited edition animals. Now let's talk about how an echidna begins its life. Unlike most mammals, a female echidna lays a single soft leathery egg. And here comes the weird part, she doesn't build a nest. Instead, she develops a temporary pouch on her belly, almost like a kangaroo. The tiny egg stays safely inside that pouch for around 10 days until a baby echidna hatches. And the baby's name? It's called a Puggle. Yes, Puggle, probably one of the cutest names in the animal kingdom. At birth, the Puggle is pink, blind, hairless, and extremely tiny, almost the size of a jelly bean. At this stage, it completely depends on its mother's milk. But wait, echidnas don't even have nipples. Instead, milk slowly leaks out through special patches on the mother's skin, and the baby simply laps it up. Nature really said, let's make this animal as unusual as possible. As weeks pass, the Puggle slowly starts growing sharp spikes. And once those spikes become dangerous, the mother says, okay, time to move out. She places the baby inside a hidden burrow underground for safety. Every few days, the mother returns secretly to feed it. No loud sounds, no attention, because in the wild, silence means survival. Adult echidnas usually grow around 30 to 45 centimeters long and can weigh up to 7 kilograms depending on the species. Their body is covered with sharp cream-colored spikes mixed with coarse fur. Those spikes are modified hairs made of keratin, the same material found in human nails. And despite looking slow and clumsy, echidnas are survival experts. When danger appears, they don't run away dramatically like cheetahs. Instead, they quickly dig straight downward into the soil using their powerful claws. Within seconds, only their sharp spikes remain visible above the ground. Imagine trying to bite a living cactus. Their strongest weapon isn't speed, it's patience and defense. Now let's talk about their food habits. Echidnas mostly eat ants, termites, worms, and insect larvae. But here's the problem, they have no teeth at all. So how do they eat? Simple. They use an incredibly long sticky tongue that can shoot out nearly 18 centimeters. That tongue moves in and out almost 100 times per minute, collecting insects like a biological vacuum cleaner. And because they don't have teeth, tiny spines inside their mouth grind the food instead. Even crazy echidnas can sense electrical signals from other animals using special receptors in their snout. It's almost like having built-in animal radar. These creatures are usually solitary and quiet. They love living alone, walking slowly through forests and grasslands while sniffing the ground for food. Sometimes they can even enter a deep sleep called torpor during cold weather to save energy. And guess what? An echidna can live over 40 to even 50 years in captivity. That's incredibly long for such a small animal. But sadly, even these ancient survivors face dangers today. Road accidents, habitat destruction, wildfires, and attacks by dogs and foxes threaten their population in many areas. Still, the echidna continues its slow journey through the Australian wilderness, carrying millions of years of evolution on its tiny, spiky body. An animal that lays eggs like a reptile, feeds milk like a mammal, fights without attacking, and survives using pure intelligence from nature itself. The echidna isn't just an animal, it's proof that evolution can create something so strange, so adorable, and so unbelievably perfect